lovely people, today I'll be showing you how to get this look. It's so summery, so fresh, so colorful, and it's kind of matching with my nails. This was not planned at all, I promise. I had this Yayy palette, I opened it up, I saw these really pretty colors and I was like, I want to do a look with this palette. We are literally in the middle of the summer. It's kind of sad because it's going to be over soon, which I'm not happy with. I don't want the summer to be over, like never. I've done one more summer look this summer, but it was not that colorful. I wanted to involve more colors because for me, personally, when I see something colorful and something that pops out, it makes me happy just looking at it, and that's exactly how I feel about today's look. I really hope you guys like it, and let's go ahead and jump right into the fun stuff. Let's go. I'm so excited for today's look, you guys. You can't even imagine because I'm gonna be using my two favorite colors, pink and blue, and look at that palette. Look how pretty it is. It looks like my nails were inspired from the colors in this palette. Ooh, by the way, I need to go get my nails done. Oh, they look horrible. But alright guys, I need your help. Okay, something really quickly before we get started. I'm looking for a store online where I can get cool earring designs. And what I mean by cool earring designs is, I mean earrings that have flowers or fruits, vegetables, animals, foods, you know, all of those kind of unusual kind of styles. I don't want those kind of gold or silver, more elegant kind of designs. No, I want earrings that are more cute, more fun. So if you know a site like that, let me know down in the comments. I'm gonna be scrolling through the comments and see if any of you guys know a site like that, and if it's in Europe, that's even better. But yeah, remember those pineapple earrings I was wearing in one of my videos? I'm gonna insert a clip right here if you haven't seen it. Yeah, I want those kind of designs, so let me know if you know down in the comments. Now to actually get started with the look, I'm gonna take this Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. I'm gonna take some of it on the back of my hand, like this. By the way, this here is an eyeliner I tried out yesterday on the back of my hand, and since yesterday I've washed my hand like 100 times, but this thing is not going away. It needs something more oily to be removed, but hey, it's okay. I'm always having swatches on the back of my hand and on everywhere on my hands. I'm always covered in swatches. But yeah, I'm gonna take some of that eyeshadow primer and apply it all over my eyelid. I already use it to clean my brows, so that bright thing that you see under my brows, this is actually that same eyeshadow primer. I just wanted to move forward with my foundation and my brows so that we can quickly start off right away with eye makeup. I want to have very bright, like almost white base on my eyes so that those eyeshadows can come out very saturated, very pigmented. They're pretty pigmented, but if I have a lighter base, the colors will pop out more and they will look more intense. So I'm taking that Yayy 10 Lines Matte Shimmer Luxe Foil Eyeshadow Palette. I love the packaging of this palette. These are some of my favorite colors. Like, look at that. Look at that. It looks so tropical, so summery. I'm gonna take a nice fluffy brush. This is a Sigma E38 and I will dip it in the shade called Beachaholic. Oops, I was out of focus. So sorry about that. It's this first shade here. So I'm gonna take it on that brush and I'm gonna buff it in my crease. Look how beautiful, soft peachy color. This is just a beautiful color to wear on its own, just in the crease. Look how pretty it is. It's so summery, so fresh, but I'm gonna move forward and add some more colors because I love colorful looks, you know? It's my thing. I'm taking this BH Cosmetics number 10 brush. This is from a set that they have, the marble set brush. And I'm gonna take some of the shade called Heat Wave, this one here. Okay, and I'm gonna add that on my eyelid area, but I'm gonna keep it just in the outer third, right here, like this. And I'm gonna add it in the inner third of my eye. So I'm leaving the center of my eyelid bare there. I don't wanna have any eyeshadow in that area yet. Okay, taking that first brush that I used, and I'm gonna blend everything out, making everything look as diffused as possible, getting rid of any harsh lines. Okay, and you may need to add some more color after the blending, so if you do, go ahead and add a second layer of that eyeshadow, again in the inner third of the eyelid and in the outer third. And blending out again. It's so pretty. Oh my god, I can't wait to see the end result. You guys probably know how it will look at the end because you saw the intro, but I don't know yet, and I'm really curious to find out. But if you love shimmers and you want your eyes to look sparkling and beautiful, you need glitter glue. Glitter glue will take your shimmers to the next level. And I know that the name sounds kind of scary, like glitter glue, like oh my god, it's glue, I don't want to apply that on my eyelids. It's nothing to be worried about. It's really lightweight, you will barely feel it on your eyes. And I know the name is a little bit confusing. Just because it's glitter glue doesn't mean that you can only use it for glitter. No, you can also use it with shimmery eyeshadows, with foiled ones. It doesn't matter. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this Too Faced glitter glue. If you want something more affordable, you can also get the one from BH Cosmetics. I'm gonna take some of it on the back of my hand. It's right here. I need this amount, not more. And I'm gonna add it in the center of my eyelid. If you don't want to use a brush, you can also use your fingers. There are no rules for this one. Just do whatever you feel comfortable with. Okay, applying that in the center of my eyes. And now quickly, I'm gonna take some of the shade called Vitamin C. Okay, here we go. Boom, boom, boom. Look at that. So stunning. Now I'm taking that flat brush that I used to apply the eyeshadow in the inner corner and the outer corner, and I'm gonna use it to diffuse that shimmery eyeshadow. Just blending out the edges of that shimmery shade that I just added. Okay, you don't want to use too much pressure for this. You want to be really gentle and use small strokes to kind of pull that eyeshadow towards the pink one. Okay. Oh, you guys, I'm so happy right now. Look at those colors. Look how pretty it is. Oh my god, I love this color combination. I'm looking at my monitor right now and I just can't stop looking at this color in the center. Like, wow. And because we added those pinkish shades in the crease and in the outer and in the inner corner, that makes that blue shade pop out even more. It creates that nice contrast between the colors and it makes it look so beautiful. For eyeliner today, I'm gonna be using this one here by Tarte. Taking care of the lashes, I'm gonna curl them really quickly but carefully. You don't want to stab yourself in the eyes with one of those things. And I'm gonna also coat them with some mascara. Yeah, some lip balm on my lips because they're so dry lately. I have no idea why. I recently got an air conditioner for the studio and I feel like since then my lips are so dry, it's not even a joke. Like, so dry. I'll also go ahead and add a pair of lashes. I lost the packaging of these, but I think that these are the House of Lashes in the style Boudoir Light. I really hope I pronounced that right. I probably don't, but I tried. I feel like these lashes turned out to be a little bit too long. Wait, what I'm talking about? There is no such a thing as too long lashes, right? So let's go ahead and finish up the face. I already have my foundation on, but I'm gonna go ahead and apply some concealer and highlighter and bronzer, you know, all of those good stuff. But I'm gonna start off with my under eye area. I'm gonna add some of this Sephora color corrector under my eyes just to neutralize that bluish purplish color that I have in this area here. Okay, this is a very lightweight color neutralizing concealer. I'm gonna blend it out. You're gonna see it's gonna melt into my skin. And also some concealer. Blending it out. Whoa! I tried adding some yellow eyeshadow in the inner corners of my eyes, and it looks so pretty. I used this eyeshadow from that Yayy palette. It's called Sunburst, yeah. I took it on a small pencil brush, and I just, added it in the inner corner right here. And I'm so impressed. Like, look. Ooh, it looks so good with the rest of the colors. So pretty color combination. Oh my god, I love it so much. Oh my goodness. Alright, now I'm gonna quickly set my under eye area with some powder just to lock that concealer in place. Alright, and adding a thin layer of the same powder all over my face. I'm using the Hourglass Translucent setting powder. I'm using so little of it. Can you guys tell the amount of powder I have on my brush? That's exactly how much I'm using. Just the tiniest amount possible. Now I'm taking my KatVonD sculpting powder and I'm gonna add some definition to my face with it. Basically contouring my cheeks and the top of my forehead. And now to fade my contour and blend it out, I'm taking this bronzer by Benefit. It's their Hula Light. So bringing some of it on the top of my forehead. Phew, so many baby hairs. For highlighter, ooh, look at that. This is a highlighter palette by Bakerie. It's their Milk and Honey palette. And I will take some of this color here. Spraying my brush with my Ofra makeup fixer. Hold on. I wasn't planning on adding any blush today, but I think that some of my Hourglass ambient brush will definitely make a difference. So I'm gonna take it on this Duo Fiber brush by Sigma. It's their F55, and I'm gonna add it on my cheeks. Final touches on the eye look, taking some of this beautiful pinkish kind of orangey shade, and with the Sigma E20 I'm smudging it along my lower lashes. Tightlining my waterline. I'm using a brighter eye pencil so that I can add some light, some brightness, and some black pencil on my upper waterline. I'll go ahead and line my lips with some pink lip pencil. And filling them in. Oh, this pink color is so pretty. But I'll also add some of this lip liner, again by KatVonD. This one is in the shade Kevvy. But I'm adding that just in the center of my lips because I want to create nice ombre effect. And also kind of brighten up that pink color because it was a little bit too pink for this look. It was a gorgeous color, but I think that now that I mixed it with this lighter shade, it looks so much better. And I'm also adding some lip gloss on top of it. And I'm gonna lock everything in place with some setting spray. I love how this thing smells. I think that this is the summer edition of the All Nighter by Urban Decay. I'm not sure, but it smells really good. And this is our final look, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. I really hope you like the look. It's so pretty. Oh my god. Whenever I do more colorful looks, I'm like, I feel so much happier. I think that I need to be doing more colorful looks because it makes me happy, and if something makes me happy, I have to do it more often. That's how it goes, right? Talking about colorful looks, let me guys know if you'd like to see video with the Huda Beauty neon palettes. I did an Instagram tutorial with one of those, so if you haven't seen it yet, definitely go and check out my Instagram. But I would like to know if you'd like to see a YouTube tutorial with those. For my Instagram tutorial, I used the green one, and the look came out so pretty. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to press the bell button, which is right next to the subscribe button, because if you do, you'll get a notification every time I post a new video, hopefully. Also, you can follow me on my Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All of the links down in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!